1810. Beethoven creates a small piece, unaware it would become one of history's most famous melodies. E, D sharp, E, D sharp, E. The composer seemed to stutter, unable to find the right words. Music became his confession. Sorrow, joy, her image in sounds and reality again. The major episode, a memory of what could have been. Therese Malfatti. He wrote for Therese, but his illegible handwriting turned the name into a riddle. The manuscript was found in her archive decades later, a funeral ostinato in the bass. A short phrase twice, like final words. Then a break, a flash, and solitude.